Ka Delhi Sikh Gurudwara Management Committee hene ka sengi pale kalalej ban kerpat ya ulat ka jela usatia pal malik untuk kelarlang halor karai jong ka sarkar jela ban pen kri ano ikibasa athemator syakwi pat ka jaka te kinoyalam kibalwan poi hanong ba shlong ka sengi balang badia kenduru ikibru ke basa athemator kilapan long ka jinyalang haswa bekenle ikandu ya ulat ha ka sengi pale.
They do not want to move from them, first of all. But at the same time, if there is some agreement, the government should sit with them and discuss that, okay, we want to offer you this. Let them have a discussion within their community and decide it on. But this cannot be a one-sided order that, okay, the Chief Minister decided to relocate them and they will be relocated. No. If there is any proposal, they should bring proposal in front of them. And they should also make a consensus within other people. What is the proposal? Where is the proposal? There is no such proposal. They haven't even called for them for a meeting. A meeting they were never called for a meeting. So if there is any kind of proposal, then they should discuss with them and let them take a call. It shouldn't be forcefully. We will also take up this matter to the appropriate court again and also with the Home Minister of India. No, that is totally arbitrary. Because they have made up their mind. This order is with a preconceived mind. Because they want them to evict. They want to clean this area. Why? They are owner of this property. So the high level committee, I think they have gone beyond their jurisdiction. I just want to apprise you guys, the media also, that this high level committee has passed an order in 2001 and stating that they should be evicted. Rather, High Power Committee has no such power. They can only recommend for this. Then we move to the High Court again, and a High Court has again stayed their proceedings also, that you cannot pass any kind of such proceedings. I do not understand why then government is passing again and again order. It is what I feel is they want to communalize this situation. The government, for the purpose of election, is doing this, and I humbly request the Chief Minister of the state that being a Chief Minister, you are duty bound to save the minorities and majority. And while it comes to the minority, they might have 400 votes. But as a Chief Minister, you are constitutionally bound to protect them. Talking also, the ministry, the government is not giving them either the report copy, the HLC report, what was that report, neither they are sharing the tripart agreement which they have made with the CM of Millennium. They are not sharing with them. Then what is the purpose that they don't want to share with them? Why they are hiding? There is something fishy. That is the reason they are hiding.
तो जो हम लोगों ने अभी जो दिल्ली सिख गुरुद्वारा मैनेजमेंट कमेटी के प्रेसिडेंट साहब ने जो मेमोरेंडम दिया है और गवर्नर साहब ने जो एश्योरेंस दिया है कि मतलब कोई भी ऐसा कार्रवाई नहीं किया जाएगा जिससे कि हम लोगों को नुकसान हो, जो भी होगा एज पर लॉ होगा और गवर्नर साहब सीएम साहब से बात करेंगे इस इशू। आज तक नहीं हुआ, जब से ये गवर्नमेंट बना ना, ये इशू जब से चल रहा है, कभी भी हाई लेवल कमेटी ने हम लोगों को बुलाया ही नहीं। और ये सीएम साहब ने जो लास्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस में बोला था कि हम लोगों ने पूरा अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया है कि वो आके अपना बयान दें, मतलब अपना पक्ष रखें। एक भी लेटर हमारे पास कोई इशू नहीं किया। अगर इशू किया गया है तो वो ऑफिस में है और बताए कि कब इशू किया और किसने रिसीव किया उसको। गवर्नर ने यही बोला है कि जो भी होगा एज पर लॉ होगा और गवर्नर साहब सीएम को बताएंगे कि कुछ गलत ना हो।